our chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
Hey y'all. So it's like 1 now. I ate. I was supposed to be going downstairs to get my life together, giving this guy a bath, and I went to sleep. But ain't no point in being upset because it's past. I already slept the time away. So right now I'm about to bleach my hair because that was the first thing I was supposed to be doing. Then I was supposed to go in and wash Topaz because he's filthy. I don't know what he did outside this morning, but he slipped in some mud and it's going down the whole left side. That's what I was supposed to be doing today. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to tell you guys and show you guys how. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to figure out how I can bring it down in the video. I'm going to show you all the products that I use and how I do. I get so, when I say so many, I get so, before I get into it. Crazy. Crazy. I know. I'm sorry. I look crazy. But I get so many compliments on my hair when it's done. Not this. When it's done and colored, or not even colored because I don't use color. But when it's done, I get so many compliments. I'm like, oh, let me hit the girls to what I do because I really don't do a lot. That's the whole reason I got short hair. I don't have time to be getting up, curling, bending, flipping. Okay? I really don't have the time. So I'm going to show y'all the 3-4 products that I use. And that's it. It's that easy. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I apply it. I thought I had what you call it in here, but apparently I don't. I need to find me a shower cap. Because we're going to need one of them. Okay, I can't find a shower cap, so we're going to bust it down with a plastic bag. Okay, these are the products that I use. I use BW2. Good old BW2. I use Clairol Pure White 40 Volume Developer. And then I also use the Olaplex Bond Multiplier. So Olaplex #1. A lot of people don't like to use 40 volume developer because it breaks down the bonds of your hair. Now me personally, I don't see anything wrong with I don't see much damage from my hair when I use it. When I bleach my hair with it being short versus my hair being long. Because I get that hair just cut right off, and just start fresh every time. Now, if your hair is longer, I wouldn't recommend it. It wouldn't be, especially if you're natural, it's gonna work out for you, but it's gonna damage your hair. Simple as that. Bleach is gonna damage your hair. There's no way. People be like, "Oh, there's some healthy ways you can." There's no healthy way. Once your hair is processed, it's no longer natural. It is processed, and the damage has begun. Simple as that. If you like me, you don't give a shit. Keep watching. This does help keep the bond and the strand intact. I always put this into my developer. So this is what I do. I got my developer already in my bowl. This is 2 cups. I'm using 2 cups today because I haven't gotten a haircut. And my hair is pretty grown out. But yeah, normally I use like a cup and a half or 1 cup. 40 volume developer. I've been using developer and doing hair so long, y'all. Like, I don't even measure this. The color bowl that you get, there are measuring points on there. And you normally want to do a ratio of 1 to 1. I don't do that. I just boop. Then you have your brush. Take your brush. You want to mix your bleach before you put in your Olaplex #1. So mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. If you feel like you put too much developer, just add more bleach. I will put less before I put more. Because you can always add more, but you can't take it away. So, we get in there. So we still mixing. This is pretty thick. I'm probably going to add some more developer. A little drop will do. And that was 2 cups, and that's all the bleach that I got. So, that was 2 cups of bleach. So, I am going to loosen it up a little bit because I don't need it this thick. I'm going to leave the, I leave my bleach on for almost an hour. Okay, that's not recommended either, but it works for me. You know you can do stuff with your hair that you don't do on other people's hair. I'm going to take my Olaplex #1. So you squeeze it, and it's lines there. All right, pour it in there. Now she's in there, you just mix her up. You want to mix it until the liquid is completely gone. Like it's orange, so you want to make sure there's no orange in your bleach. This is the consistency that I like. Can you see that? I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so I got it how I want it. Now all I do, just start painting it on, literally. I would recommend wearing a shirt that you really don't care about because sometimes it drips. But yeah, now you just start painting. I like to do the perimeter and then I work it around. I'm probably going to end up needing more bleach than this, but it's okay for right now. We'll just paint her on here. It's cold. And make sure you get every piece of hair because with this color, it don't look good when you got that section around your hairline that's still black. It look crazy. I've done it. Now with my hair, I normally don't need a whole lot, but I had not been to the barbershop in like, no lie, like 2 months.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Okay, so we're done with that. That's all you gotta do. You ain't gotta do too much. And now we wait. So these are the products I use. BW2 bleach, Olaplex #1 Bond Multiplier, Clairol Professionals Pure White 40 Volume Developer, and then the Shimmer Lights Shampoo. They also have a conditioner. I just never used the conditioner because I like my Olaplex conditioner. This is the shampoo. I hope it wasn't like too like, I know I didn't have the whole setup and the lights and the angles. Listen. But yeah, y'all, so I'm going to let this sit. And I'm going to get back with y'all and get Topaz's stuff together for his bath. And yeah, I'll let y'all see the results when we're done. Okay, y'all, so I just finished washing Topaz. It wasn't making it easy this time, y'all. So I didn't even show y'all how I blow dry him. But I'll show y'all what he looks like in a second. He's like a little big fluff. And he smells so good. So I'm pretty sure my hair is done. I still see a little bit of yellow in there, but we about to handle that. But yeah, so I am now about to hop myself in the shower, and I will show you guys once I get out there. So this is the results. I think I say it's my lighting is yellow. I'm gonna show y'all again. I'll show y'all. Y'all see it again tomorrow. Can't be replaced.